Now, the birth of the Weimar Republic. Actually, the chapter actually starts from here. The birth of the Weimar Republic. The Weimar is a name of the place where this republican form of government was formed in Germany. Germany, a powerful empire in the early years of the 20th century, fought the First World War. Germany fought a First World War in between 1914 to 1918 alongside the Austrian Empire and against the Allies, that were the England, France, and Russia, which you have read in French Socialism in Europe chapter. Okay, so there was the First World War fought between 1914 to 1918 in between Central Power and the Allied powers. So, Germany made initial gains by occupying France and Belgium. During that war, Germany was able to find some gains of territories by occupying France and Belgium. However, the Allies strengthened by the U.S. entry in 1917. During First World War, in starting, Germany was in gain, but later on, when the U.S. joined the war in 1917, so Allied were in power and they won the First World War, defeating Germany and the Central Powers in November 1918. So, the defeat of the Imperial Germany and the abdication of the Emperor gave an opportunity to parliamentary parties to recast German polity. After the defeat of Germany in First World War and abdication of Emperor, by that time Germany was ruled by a monarch. So, when he was overthrown, when he left the throne, so that time the parliamentary parties, those who had the political parties which had the belief in parliamentary form of government, they got opportunity to recast means to reframe German polity. A national assembly met at Weimar. National assembly, it was the legislative assembly or constitutional assembly which met. The member of this assembly met at Weimar. Weimar is the name of a place, and established a democratic constitution with a federal structure. They met and they decided to establish a democratic constitution. They framed a new constitution with federal structure. Federal structure means where the two levels of government were set up. Deputies were now elected to the German parliament or Reichstag. Deputies means those who were the councillors, those who were the parliamentarians. All they were elected for which, for German parliament. German parliament was known as Reichstag. It was the name of the German parliament. On the basis of what was the basis of their election? On the basis of equal and universal votes. Means universal adult franchise was adopted, cast by all adults including women. Means first time in German parliament when the elections were conducted. So those elections were conducted on the basis of universal adult franchise, in which the women were also incorporated or were allowed to vote. This republic, however, was not received well by its own people, largely because of the terms it was forced to accept after Germany's defeat at the end of the First World War. Though this republic was formed, a democratic system was set up in Germany, but still in Germany many people were against this democratic form of government, because they were not happy with the formation of this Weimar Republic, because they had an idea that Weimar Republic was a fragile idea. It was a weak institution, because Weimar Republic accepted the Germany's defeat, and whatever the conditions were imposed on Germany, that to accept those conditions after the defeat of Germany, Weimar Republic accepted those conditions which was imposed on Germany. So that is why most of the people in Germany were not happy with the formation of or establishment of this Weimar Republic. Now the peace treaty at Versailles. In after the end of First World War in 1918, a peace treaty was organized at Versailles. Versailles again is the name of the city located in France in 1919, and it is said by the historian that it was one of the most humiliating peace treaty in the world history, which instigated Germany to provoke for the Second World War. Okay, so what were the harsh conditions were imposed